Hi guys, good morning. Today I have a nice unboxing to show you, and I'm very excited because I haven't used it yet, and it's my new shoes. So let's go. The box is right here, and I did not know this shoe was a collaboration, and I was very impacted when they showed me the box. The shoe, it's a pizza box. It's a collaboration with Puma, with the Turtles. I didn't recognize that, but when the guy got the box, I was like, oh damn, I think this shoes is something special. So let's go for the unboxing. So let's open. You see by the side, it seems that you have 3 pieces. I did not understand when the guy got this box. I was like, what? Pizza time? I don't get it. But it's Puma and Turtles. So let's open. And I think it's very funny because it came with actually a pizza inside, and it's very cute. You can put this in the wall somewhere, or you can keep it just like that, and then when you move this away, you have this nice accessories that you can use in the shoe. You have different this, and you have this little thing so you can plug in the shoe and make it even more cute. Guys, it's so cute. It's so cute. I'm so in love that I was like, wow, I really like this. Okay, so let's move on to the third part, and then let's remove this part. And this is the final. It's very different. I don't know how to say, but it has this type of material, and I really like the this yellow thing. Yeah, I really love it. Inside is purple, but in front of me it's more pink than is in the video. I haven't used it yet, so that's why. Let me take it off. And okay, I got my flash going, and this is the final product. Look at this. It's so beautiful, guys, that I don't even want to use it, but I'm in love. And it's just to go out, like going to work, make some nice outfits with this, and I'm very happy that I got this, and you guys gonna see me using. Thank you so much for watching, and wait for the next one. Bye.